Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Niraparib plus OP improves survival in Mcspc with HRR gene alterations. Break, for patients with metastatic castration-sensitive prostate cancer, Mcspc, with homologous recombination repair, HRR, gene alterations, the addition of niraparib to abiraterone acetate and prednisone, AAP, is beneficial, according to a study published online October 7 in Nature Medicine. Gerhard Attard, MD, PhD, from University College London, and colleagues conducted a double-blind trial that evaluated combining niraparib with OP versus placebo and OP in Mcspc with HRR gene alterations. A total of 696 patients were randomly assigned to niraparib or placebo, 348 each. Break of the patients, 56% had BRCA1 or BRCA2 alterations and 78% had high-volume metastases. The researchers first observed significant improvement in radiographic progression-free survival in the BRCA subgroup, median not reached at the time of analysis for the niraparib and OP group versus 26 months for the OP group, hazard ratio, 0.52. Significant improvement was also seen in the intention to treat population, hazard ratio, 0.63. For overall survival, the data were immature but favored niraparib. The incidence of grade 3 or 4 adverse events was 75 and 59% in the niraparib and placebo groups, respectively. In the niraparib and OP group, the most frequent adverse event was anemia, 29%, with 25% of patients needing a blood transfusion. Break for cancers with a mutation in one of the eligible HRR genes. Where niraparib has been approved, a doctor should consider a discussion that balances the risks of side effects against the clear benefit to delaying disease growth and worsening symptoms, Attard said in a statement. Several authors disclose ties to the biopharmaceutical industry, including Johnson & Johnson, which funded the study. Abstract/full text. Disclaimer, statistical data in medical articles provide general trends and do not pertain to individuals. Individual factors can vary greatly. Always seek personalized medical advice for individual healthcare decisions. And copy, 2025 Health Day. All rights reserved. Adders less than /speak. Speaker preferred source on Google. Read this next to OW. Prima implant and glasses improve visual acuity in geographic atrophy. In participants with geographic atrophy due to age-related macular degeneration, a photovoltaic retina implant microarray, Prima, system leads to. HEPA purifiers do not reduce viral exposures in classrooms. High-efficiency particulate air, HEPA, purifiers are not associated with a reduction in high viral exposure in elementary school classrooms, according to school disengagement increased during pandemic years. School disengagement, SD, rates were higher during the pandemic years, especially for children with mental health conditions, MHCs, according to a study. More news resources to MedWatch. Drug alerts daily. Med news for health professionals. New drug approvals, new drug applications, drug shortages, clinical trial results, generic drug approvals. Subscribe to our newsletter. Whatever your topic of interest, subscribe to our newsletters to get the best of drugs.com in your inbox. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.